In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have your LinkedIn account linked through HubSpot's app marketplace so you can track performance, sync leads from LinkedIn forms, and streamline your marketing and sales workflows. Start inside your HubSpot portal on the main home screen. Look toward the top of the page for the small gear icon, which opens your account settings. Click that to head into the settings area. If you don't see the gear or can't open settings, you may need additional permissions from your HubSpot admin, so keep that in mind. Once you're in settings, find the section labeled Integrations on the left-hand sidebar. Click Integrations to open HubSpot's integration options. From there, choose Connected Apps. This is the hub where you'll see everything that's already linked to your account, and it's also the jumping off point for adding new connections. Inside Connected Apps, look for the option to go to the app marketplace. Click. Go to App Marketplace to open HubSpot's catalog of integrations. This is where you'll find the LinkedIn connector, along with thousands of other tools. If a new tab appears or nothing seems to load, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow HubSpot if needed. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type LinkedIn. Press enter and you'll see results related to LinkedIn. Click the LinkedIn listing that matches your needs. You're looking for the official integration that allows HubSpot to communicate with LinkedIn for things like lead syncing and campaign tracking. Opening the listing will show an overview, key features, and any requirements, which is a great place to confirm it aligns with what you want to accomplish. When you're ready, click Install. At this point, you may be prompted to sign into your LinkedIn account and approve permissions so HubSpot can read and write the data needed for the connection. Follow the prompts, choose the appropriate account or add account if asked, and confirm access. If your organization requires admin approval, you might see a message to request it. Go ahead and send that request and wait for approval before proceeding. After installation completes, return to Connected Apps in your HubSpot settings. You should now see LinkedIn listed among your installed apps. If there's a Connect or Configure button, click it to finalize any remaining selections, such as which pages or ad accounts to use. That's it. You've connected LinkedIn to HubSpot through the app marketplace. If anything doesn't appear right away, give it a moment. Refresh your browser and verify you're logged into the correct HubSpot workspace. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.